Today, I'm excited to announce our brand new Photo Restoration Bundle. This bundle combines our photo restoration video course with our photo restoration ebook to give you everything you need to restore old pictures in Affinity Photo. Whether your pictures have tears and scratches, discoloration, or have become faded over time, you'll learn the best ways to restore your photos to their former glory. We'll even learn powerful techniques to add color to black and white images. When you enroll in this bundle, you get lifetime access to over 60 video tutorials, as well as the photo restoration ebook, which you can download and read from any device. The ebook takes everything from the video course and converts it to an easy-to-read guide. By bundling these two products, you'll automatically save 20%, giving you the best deal that we have for photo restoration. I'm really excited to share this bundle with you, so sign up below and let's get started.